Welcome. Bone broth has been highly regarded for centuries for its health benefits and delicious taste. Today, we'll go over the top 20 reasons why bone broth is a must-have in your diet. Everything in the video is important to you. Plus, at the end of the video, I'll share an easy recipe for making it at home. Let's get started. Section 1. Health benefits of bone broth. 1. Improves joint health. Bone broth is rich in collagen, which helps strengthen joints and reduce pain associated with arthritis. 2. Strengthens bones. Contains essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, which help maintain bone strength. 3. Supports gut health. The gelatin in bone broth aids digestion and repairs the intestinal lining, making it great for those with leaky gut syndrome. 4. Boosts immunity. Bone broth contains nutrients that support your immune system, helping you ward off disease. 5. Promotes skin health. The collagen in bone broth helps improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and give you a youthful glow. 6. Aids in weight loss. Low in calories and high in protein, it keeps you feeling fuller longer, making it an excellent weight loss companion. 7. Boosts hydration. Bone broth replenishes electrolytes, keeping you hydrated, especially after a workout. 8. Supports muscle growth. Thanks to its high amino acid content, it aids in muscle repair and growth after a workout. 9. Reduces inflammation. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce chronic inflammation in the body. 10. Promotes sleep quality. Bone broth contains glycine, an amino acid that promotes better sleep. 11. Boosts brain function. The nutrients in bone broth support cognitive function and memory. 12. Strengthens hair and nails. Collagen and protein promote stronger hair and nail growth. 15. Supports detoxification. Bone broth supports the liver in detoxifying harmful substances from the body. 14. Balances electrolytes. Contains potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which helps maintain the body's electrolyte balance. 15. Promotes healthy metabolism. The amino acids in bone broth aid in metabolic functions and energy production. 16. Heals wounds faster. The nutrients in bone broth speed up tissue repair, helping wounds and injuries heal faster. 17. Reduces food cravings. Sipping bone broth can help curb food cravings, especially sugary snacks. 18. Improves heart health. Bone broth contains nutrients like collagen and minerals that support cardiovascular health. 19. Supports hormonal balance. Bone broth helps regulate hormones, especially during stressful times. 20. Promotes overall health. Incorporating bone broth into your daily routine can lead to overall improvements in health, energy, and mood. Section 2. How to make bone broth at home. Ingredients: 1 pound bones, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 onion, chopped, 2 to 3 carrots, chopped, 2 to 3 stalks celery, chopped, 2 to 3 cloves garlic, crushed, water to cover bones, salt and pepper to taste. Fresh herbs such as thyme or rosemary, optional. Directions: 1. Add bones to a large pot or slow cooker. 2. Pour water to cover bones, add apple cider vinegar, and let sit for 30 minutes to extract minerals. 3. Add chopped vegetables, garlic, and herbs. 4. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat. 5. Cook for 12 to 24 hours, skimming off any foam that forms on top. 6. Once the broth is cooked, strain it and discard the bones and vegetables. 7. Season with salt and pepper. Let it cool, then store in the fridge or freezer for later use. And that's it. Your bone broth is delicious, nutrient-rich, and ready to enjoy. Whether you're looking to boost your health or enjoy a hearty, nutritious meal, bone broth is a great addition to your daily routine. Give it a try today and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy tips and recipes. See you in the next video.